Alright, so prop is about the behind the scenes. So while you see a nice glitzy kind of a sign, and I think I was seduced by the kind of font myself, so I wanted to make it, but it is about the behind the scenes, and in this case the scaffold-like nature of the backdrop. Inspired by sort of 1920s Paris and Broadway and the cinema and all that sort of glitz and glam, sort of thing that you would have seen once upon a time on a rooftop. And I just love that crisscross nature, lightweight structure that sits behind everything behind everything, but behind a lot of things that we see, and we tune them out. We sort of, our eye chooses not to see them, and we see the thing that we're supposed to see. And for me, I think those structures behind the scenes are actually quite beautiful. They're extremely versatile. And so this applies to scaffolding, it applies to large billboards, it applies to all sorts of temporary or semi-temporary structures really, and they're secondary, they're always secondary, they're there for another function, they're there to do something else. And so here I've kind of riffed off the idea that public also has a private side, especially if you drop out a certain letter, and otherwise it's the seduction of these letters, the nice big curves, the red, and its relationship to what's actually holding it up.